What commitment can you make to cultivate self-acceptance and develop positive self-image and well-being? Again, what commitment can you make to cultivate self-acceptance and develop positive self-image and well-being?
I can instill this to the mind of young people by being here in front, inspiring them that if I can do it, then you can do it. You can be yourself to be who you are, and through that, you can inspire others. And let us all, and I dare every Bansaleños to keep that mindset so that we can have a powerful future for the youth. Thank you.
Powerful answer. Now how can you commit in ensuring that all children in our municipality will have equal access to quality education, regardless of their economic background or location?
As an educator myself, being an advocate as well to quality education and empowering children, most especially those who are deprived or less privileged, I believe that I can commit by being a volunteer and an example myself to lead and to teach not only the children who have access, but also those who cannot, especially my advocacy with those who are under the minority group. And I believe that if we help hand in hand, and if we try to be volunteers by heart, by deed, and by compassion, then we can make Bansalan a powerful nation. Thank you.
Just in the nick of time, heart lead you as Bansaleña make a genuine commitment to making a lasting impact in supporting the rights, culture, and livelihood of our indigenous people, particularly the Magogo Tagabawa tribe. Again, how can you, as a Bansaleña, make a genuine commitment to making a lasting impact in supporting the rights, culture, and livelihood of our indigenous people, especially the Magogo Tagabawa tribe?
As part of the Magogo Tagabawa myself, joining pageantry, I have always championed and advocate for youth empowerment and improvement for the indigenous people. With that, I can be a tool and an instrument. Standing here in front of you, I can be your voice because of each and every one of us, regardless of our culture and where we are part of. We can be a tool for a change because each and every one of us are the pillars of hope, the towers of strength, and the leaders of our own mind. And if we continue to apply the value of equality, integrity, and compassion, then surely we can continue to commit and achieve Garbonato. Wow! Bansalan!
Bansalan po, everybody! But they don't hold position to show a significant commitment to raising mental health awareness and reducing the stigma surrounding mental health issues. Again, what actions can you make to show a significant commitment to raising mental health awareness and reducing the stigma surrounding mental health issues?
As a proud Bansaleña who has lived in Bansalan for 20 years, I believe I can make a powerful impact here in Bansalan by promoting mental health awareness in our community. I believe that by ensuring that every barangays and every school has access to trained counselors, then we can ensure and we can pave the way where people can live a future where they can live a future where we can have a peaceful and a powerful Bansalan. Thank you.
Empowering answer from DXD Japan Surplus. Daghang salamat now. And now our final candidate. In what ways can you commit to actively empower the younger generation to take leadership roles in shaping a better future for themselves and their communities? Again, in what ways can you commit to actively empower the younger generation to take leadership roles in shaping a better future for themselves and their communities?
I will commit to actively